Sometimes you need a little company. Meals are meant to be shared with the people you love.
And that's why Alice always makes enough to go around. And around, and around!
Whoa! Maybe you're right. Maybe I don't have to dine alone. You sure you don't mind one more?
You're always welcome to eat with us.
Oh, then what do we have for dessert? One squishy and melted dessert. Oh, which is all my fault. Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, I suppose we'll have to enjoy the rainbow twist another time.
Unless we can pull another one out of our hat. Dormouse, fork, button, bowling ball. Nope, no dessert.
Hold on, I might have enough ingredients. Cream, berry burst, a little crazy frost with a drop of sunshine tea. All we need is rainwater melon.
You mean this?
Perfect. Let's whip this up. Who's ready to see the rainbow? Scooper, please. Here he goes. There it is.
So good. More, please.
What do you think, Cheshire?
Best dessert that's ever tickled these whiskers. But I have to admit, you were right, Alice. Enjoying it with my friends is what really makes me smile.
And what a great smile it is.